If you're an online course creator, there is no better way to put people into your courses than through the use of YouTube ads. The only problem is it can get a bit competitive, and you're going to need to know exactly what to say on your ads, figure out exactly what's working right now, and also know what's not working so you can avoid what's not working and put to use what is working and shortcut your way to success. So I want to show you today exactly how, as an online course creator, you can figure out what's working in your niche, and like I said, what's also not working, so you can avoid that. We're going to use our proprietary software to do that. So let's go ahead and jump over to my computer and I'll show you how it works. All right, so here we are in Video Ad Vault, and we're going to find ads made by course creators. Now, the first thing that I like to do when I'm trying to find ads, because obviously I can't just type in like course creator, right? Maybe I can, but it's not really going to do anything. But if I go course creator, right, that's not the search term, and they might, whatever. They might, actually they do have some, but basically that's kind of crazy to me. Okay, there we go. So they actually do have a couple, like traffic ad. This guy's probably pushing an online course with 4 million views. But anyway, what I would do is I would think of some of the bigger players in the niche, like Mindvalley makes a ton of courses. So I would maybe click this plus button and I would find more ads from Mindvalley. Right? I would start to see what are they doing, because they have a ton of courses that they sell. That's like what they do, right? So you can start to see what's working for Mindvalley. And the other thing that I like to do is jump over here and search for something like MasterClass, right? Maybe MasterClass would be a good one because they have a lot of ads pushing to their membership platform where they literally sell online courses. So you can see what's working there, model those, right? You'll start to see patterns when you see them, what they're doing here. Now, the other thing is a lot of these people, at least in the internet marketing space, are selling online courses via webinars, right? So, it's a great way to sell online courses, especially higher tickets. So I might toss in Webinar Jam, knowing that a lot of people are running, automated webinars on Webinar Jam or EverWebinar, and they're pushing to these different pages that are self-hosted there. And you can see, look at all these. We just found a ton of ads pushing to webinars that are basically selling online courses. Learn the piano. This is an online course, right? So we can click, we can watch that. We can see what's going on here and how this is going.
I can show you how to go from 0 to mastering the piano up to 150 times faster than traditional music education methods. I developed a brand new technique called step practice.
All right, so you see how that works. We can check out their landing pages, all that good stuff as well. So we can see, hey, where's it going? I want to check that out. Music Made Simple. This is literally a webinar. And he is going to be selling an online course afterwards, right? And that's why I like to search for like Webinar Jam, because then we can find all of those as well. So there's a ton of different ways you can do this. Those are just some quick, easy ideas for finding the top ads and, obviously seeing what's getting the most views, all that good stuff, and going from there. So whatever niche you're in, you can take what I just showed you and figure out what types of ads other online course creators in your industry are creating and what's working and what's not, so you can shortcut your way to success. That's it for me on this one. Bye for now.